The line is baked in a buttery, flaky crust.
Baked on a buttery crust.
It's close.
Buttery.
Baked in a buttery flavored crust. Baked in a buttery flavored crust. Crust. Yeah.
Baked in a buttery, flaky crust.
Baked
in a buttery,
crust.
flaky
Here we go.
crust.
Here we go.
Baked on a buttery, crispy crust. Flaky. I like flaky out again. See, sure they have that cue card up there. Baked on a buttery. Okay. Baked on a buttery, crispy crust.
Jack, flaky.
I thought I said flaky. Okay.
Oh my God.
Baked on a buttery, flaky crust.
You should have had me do that.
Oh yeah, she does that good.
Baked in the buttery, flaky.
Baked on a buttery, crispy crust.
Why?
God damn it, crispy. Okay.
Jack.
Crispy.
Flaky.
Flaky.
Big smiles looking at the
Oh
camera.
my God.
And big smiles time. In 3.
Baked in a buttery, flaky crust. Did I screw up again?
Yes, you did.
I did?
Big smiles.
Baked in a buttery flavored.
Flaky.
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 Baked in a buttery,
Camera and say.
flaky.
Crust. Okay. Here we go.
Baked in a buttery,
Flaky.
flaky crust. Ah!
Baked in a oops.
Boy,
Baked in a buttery, crispy flake. Jack, go.
You two in the back, do you want to be in a television commercial? Can you say the line, ma'am?
Baked in a buttery, flaky crust.
Yahoo!